everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, this is like a 3D printed dragon. It is also, it shifts colors, as you can see. So depending on what angle you're looking at it, it will change from blue to a beautiful purplish, like pink color. Absolutely beautiful. You can see, super pretty. And this one's actually a lot bigger. I've actually reviewed these in the past, but they were a lot smaller. My son loves this, which I will add a clip of him actually looking at it in a little bit. You can see you can like move it around. The bottom's flat, so if you want to like sit this somewhere, you can, but it's like really, really long. So like the tail looks like, and it just moves around. And just super cool. This is a really great gift idea, especially for boys. I always have a hard time shopping for like my boy's birthday. And both of my boys were like fighting over this. I actually need to get one more for them because they both absolutely love it. Even my girls wanted them. But I gave it to my eldest son. But I just think it's really cool looking. I mean, look at that. But let's go ahead and see what my son thought about it. Okay, so this is my son, Elisha. What do you think about it?
It's super cool. I have a tiny one of these that's like that, but this one's like 30 inches long. It's so cool and big. I like it.
You like it?
Uh-huh. Look, Mom, it's a circle.
Yeah. I love the way it shifts colors. Let me see. This way you can kind of see it a little better because it focuses. Look how long it is. Look how long it is. It just keeps going and going.
It's super long. It's almost as long. It's like taller than Micah. That's like huge. I like it.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.